Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Thank you so much,
Hi guys, how you doing? Yes, it's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful morning, and it's a beautiful hour. Yes, because as it is right now, as at yesterday, the news of the arrest of the veteran popular on-air personality, that's Alhaji Oriyomi Hamzat, has filled the air. So today he has been released on bail on Friday, yes, this morning. So to God be the glory. And the radio station has released a press statement to back that up, that he has been released. So it's confirmed he has been released now. So, and the police said the arrest was in connection with yes, the police said his arrest was in connection with cyberbullying without stating the name of the bullied. So that was why they said he was arrested. But thank God he has been released on bail right now. So he's a free man now. He has regained his freedom. So we are all happy, because as at yesterday, everywhere was shaking. Ibadan was shaken. In fact, let me say the whole world was shaken. But thank God he has been released on bail. So it's a good news and it's a nice one. Today be the 27th day of May, Children's Day. Oh God. We bless God. He's back. Hail and hearty. He's been released on bail. I'm so duper excited. And I know everybody is excited about this development too. So we say congratulations to you, the man that stands for truth, that stay with the truth, that speak with the truth, and the truth has set you free. So please, the truth will always set you free. Alhaji Oriyomi Hamzat, the CEO of Agidigbo FM 88.7 FM. So we say congratulations to you, sir, and for others to please try and emulate this. Speak the truth and let the devil be ashamed. Okay? Thank you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Move. Yeah. Oh yeah, move.